Hello and welcome to Do It. I'm Anders and I would not consider myself a woodworker, but I'll take a crack at just about anything. And today, Simon and I are going to tackle a bandsaw box. Let's... So Simon and I were pretty pumped to do this because we've both seen a number of bandsaw box videos before, but neither of us had actually made one. And I was very fortunate that Simon was able to come over and help out because he brought along David Picciuto's bandsaw box book. And it had a lot of great step-by-step guides and pictures. So if you're looking for something to be a definitive guide, I would definitely recommend checking out that book or heading over to David Picciuto's channel, Make Something, because he's got a number of videos that go along with making bandsaw boxes. For this video, I really wanted to try something different, and I wanted to make a template that I could reuse and scale to size. So I actually 3D printed a template for this bandsaw box. And once I had the blank, it was really easy to make the outside, the inside, and the handle look uniform because they were all based off of a same 3D print.
So this one, start anywhere, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I cannot believe how easily this cuts.
Yeah. It's like butter. So if you'll notice around the corners, they're a little more rounded than the outside actually ended up being. And we did that just to make it a little easier on ourselves to make the corner turns when we were cutting on the inside of the box.
Oh, that worked out nice. Getting that round in there.
So I added a round over to the drawers in the box just because I thought it would look nice, and to be honest with you, I was just excited to try my new makeshift router table. So this was a technique that I picked up from watching one of Jonathan Katz-Moses' videos, and he just said that he goes over with pencil before sanding to make sure that he's getting every place evenly. Now, he uses a lot more grits than I use. I kind of go with the Woodworking for Mere Mortals formula of 80, 120, and 220, and that usually works out fine for me. So while I'm finishing this up, I just wanted to thank our Patreon supporters, Kim and Garrett Make It and Moody Wood Carving. If you are interested in more content like that, you can subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay up to date with everything that we're posting.